Alright guys, we're back live here on a Friday morning. Let's look at Bitcoin quickly. So yesterday we talked about how this ascending triangle was going to break up if stochastics was going to turn, right? It did turn, right? So what happened? Well, let's see. So the stochastics, let's see, what time frame were we on? The 15 minute. If you look at the 15 minute, yeah, we did turn a little bit. Problem was we hit resistance at 65.3, and this chunk here we couldn't just get above this. So we, as I said, if we are not going to break above, what we're going to do is just going to go sideways, and we've been going sideways for the whole night. And this morning is the same thing. So there's really not much going on. I do see a double bottom. Stochastic is pointing up, but not really much going on. We're just sticking around this little volume here. So it's VRVP. That's where the line was drawn, right? You see exactly where it is. Hasn't really moved because we haven't had much action. If we had more action above, the line would go up more because it's just the average, right? And what do I see going on today? Well, overall market is really boring. Wow, ATR is at 2 cents now. Alright guys, we're back. So there was some interruption there. So let's look at Bitcoin again. So yesterday we were, let's look at the 15 minute. Yesterday we broke out of this ascending triangle and we hit the target. Actually, no, we didn't hit the target. We hit the resistance. Um, Other times, well, we couldn't break above, this little and hold this uh, resistance here, 64.9, and we were blocked by 65.4, and there's not much going on. I mean, we could say this is some sort of a flag here, or falling wedge, kind of ish. Doesn't really look too nice. We could say that. We're still consolidating here. But I see a inverse head and shoulder here. See? 1, 2, 3. So we might be forming the second shoulder. Or, this could also be like a cup and handle. This could work. But if we're doing the cup and inverse head and shoulders, the target would just be the same as this flag here. Well, then the starting point will be higher because it depends on where the neckline is, right? The neckline would be, I would say, it's kind of slanted. So it'll be like that. So it'll be the same as this ascending triangle target. But if we look at the cup and handle or the flag, it's slightly below that. But since we can just pull the volume profile here again, there isn't much. Well, there is exactly this node here. So that's where the target would be, the first target. And then the second target would be up here, because that's where the higher node is. So anyway, that's possible. Stokes are low for 1 hour. What's the bearish scenario? It's a good question. Let's see what the bearish scenario is. Let's pull a larger volume profile here. So yeah, I mean, if we do break below 63.4, yeah, then we're gonna go all the way down here. What's the larger time frame looking like? Well, yeah, we're gonna test 60k again if we do lose 63, 63.4, 60, yeah. Yeah, I mean, today's Friday, so there's gonna be less liquidity. I can kind of draw this like this now. That's the flag. Like that. But I mean, honestly, we just have to wait and see. What's the overall market like? Everything's pretty red. Bitcoin dominance back up. Interesting, yeah. So yeah, we were at this falling wedge flag kind of thing. We overbought in the 1 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, daily's low, which makes sense, right? Because in the long run, we should have a larger Bitcoin dominance before we're gonna go back in, and this flag should play out, right? Technically, if this is low, target's 57.5. Tether dominance went up too. Well, it's the same situation, right? It's a flag, Now we're possibly making another flag here, like that, or even possibly a symmetric triangle that could break both up and down. We wanted to break down so we can see liquidity going up. I mean, trades going up for for Bitcoin. How do you copy this? Is it an alt? No. Shift. No, not shift. Shift and alt. No. Oh, there we go. Shift and control. I mean, control and Control and alt. I'm not used to PC though. I usually use a Mac, right? So here we go. So that's the target. Yeah, I mean, there's not so much we can talk about right now, unless we stay here for a while. 64.3. Okay. All right. Let's do one more thing. Let's do look at smaller time frame and see, and then we'll conclude for the day. So what I see some sort of symmetric triangle right here, and stochastics are high for 5 minutes. 1 minute is low, so either one will play out, or even the three. Three is going down, so you have more probability that's going to go down. 15 is still heading up. So let's figure out where this is going. If we're gonna break higher, then we'll hit this same target. You see, same target. And if we do break lower, oh no, it is shift and control. Yeah, if it breaks lower, we're at the bottom of this support here. I mean, there is a little support here down here too. So we could bounce, get like a bull, get a bullish divergence, and then go back up. And if you can break, then that's another story. So watch out for the 15. Again, hourly is important too, because the Stokes are low. But then doesn't matter if you can long or short. It really doesn't matter. But we're very close to this red line, the point of control. So watch out for that. Okay, so that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.